Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Do you find yourself hiding your smile because of yellow or stained teeth? Fear not, in this video we are going to share 6 natural home remedies for teeth whitening. First up, we have baking soda. Baking soda is a natural whitening agent that can help remove surface stains on teeth. Simply mix a small amount of baking soda with water to create a paste, then brush your teeth with the mixture. Next, we have hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is another natural whitening agent that can help remove surface stains. Simply dip a cotton swab in hydrogen peroxide and rub it on your teeth for a few seconds. Be sure to rinse your mouth thoroughly with water afterward. Another natural remedy is lemon juice. Lemon juice contains citric acid which can help remove stains from teeth. It's important to note that lemon juice can also erode tooth enamel, so be sure to use it sparingly. Simply mix lemon juice with water and swish it around your mouth for a minute or two before rinsing with water. Next up, we have activated charcoal. Activated charcoal is a natural absorbent that can help remove surface stains on teeth. Simply mix activated charcoal with water to create a paste, then brush your teeth with the mixture. Another natural remedy is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid which can help remove stains from teeth. However, like lemon juice, it's important to use apple cider vinegar sparingly as it can erode tooth enamel. Simply mix apple cider vinegar with water and swish it around your mouth for a minute or two before rinsing with water. Next, we have coconut oil pulling. Coconut oil pulling involves swishing coconut oil around your mouth for several minutes. This can help remove bacteria and surface stains on teeth. So there you have it, 6 natural home remedies for teeth whitening. Remember, while these remedies can be effective in removing surface stains, they may not produce the same result as professional teeth whitening treatments. Additionally, it's important to use these remedies sparingly and to consult with your dentist before trying any new dental treatments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already done. So thanks for watching and see you next time.